Hey, welcome to our channel, The Product Review. So today I am going to review the product name is Kovert. Yes, Kovert is basically a course which helps you to make money online. So let's begin and talk about Kovert. What is that? How it's work? And what is the benefits of Kovert? Is it real or scam? So let's begin. So new for 2022, a system that really works. This is a two-step system which 5 minutes puts you $173 in your pocket every day. You do not require any technical skills, no waiting, no experience needed. So as you here you can see like it's a brand new and unique system. We get paid over and over. I made $5,140 giving away just one Google Docs, and there is lots of things you can see here. You will get first 100 customers also get access to covert results in 7 days. If you join this, you will get the results in just 7 days. If you're really interested to make money online, just join the covert course. In this course you will get blueprint, every single steps, how you can do the work, how you will make money, everything described in this course. So if you want this course, if you want to buy this product, link in the video description, go to the description, click to the link below and just get the product. So let's move on and talk about Covert. So here is the offer, get Covert and use the Google Docs today. So if you want to buy, click to the description, go to the description, click to the link which in the description, and you will come on this page. Then click here to full instant discount access. If you want to buy, just click over there and get the access of Covert and just start making money and be financial free. So let's move on. Here you can see the guy who made $173 per day. There is lots of people who will make through covert. This is give them away. Here you can see $12 to $112 every single day. Over and over you will make money. So just come over there and click to this button. Here you can see and get the covert. If you're really interested, if you want to make money online, if you want your financial success, if you want to feed your home, pay your car's bill, etc, etc, so just go to the description, go to the video description, there is a link, click to that link and get the covert. So this is just three step, one weird Google Doc and three step to result in 1 to 3 days. Yes, you will start making results in just 1 to 3 days. So step one, access covered. So as you know, to get the access, go click to the description. Here's a link, there's a link and go to the go, you will come on this page and buy the covert. So let's move on. Then you want to log in and just activate. After activate, you will start your dream journey, start your financial freedom. So it takes just 2 to 5 minutes a week. Would you like to unlock your own dream lifestyle? Just think about it. If you really want this type of cars, luxury life, this will help you a lot. So you would, but so let's move on and see what peoples are making. Here you can see $477 in just 7 days. Annie is making $477 in just 7 days. Here you can see Simon, $181 in just 24 hours. So if you want covert, just come on this page, link in the description and buy the covert and get the full access. So get covert today for the cost of a pizza. See, you will spend money, spend money on lots of things. So why you should invest on this course? Because this will give you freedom, your lifestyle which you want, what you want. So just come over there, click here to get full access, link in the video description. So let's move on. And here you can see they are still getting now our beginners. This is also beginner friendly. In this course, you will get every single steps of success. You don't want to do anything. So dear, still getting nowhere beginners, does this sound familiar? Maybe you are just starting out on your online journey. I know you can do this. Just believe in yourself. Come on this page. Buy the covert in the price of pizza. So, but the reality has been very different. And 100% know the difficult it is. How difficult it is to get started. Sleepless night to shrink further, and there is lots of things. So, if you are falling right now, the first thing you need to do is stop doing what you are doing, right? Stop doing what you are doing, because you do, because what you are doing you will get, because it just isn't working. So nobody is telling you what really works, what not really works. So isn't time to stop doing what isn't work. So this is about covert life changing income, $1966. Or this is recurring. It means कि it will come every single month or every single year. So this product will made by Mark Bischoff. He is making $173 per day, giving away one weird Google Docs. So if you want success, just come over there and get this product. If you want if you want to provide what your family want, just come over there. Provide to my family, clear debts, cover your bills, cover car payments, and whatever liability you have, just you want to pay. So there is no niche you want to target or anything else. This is not a scam. Lots of people are making money every single day. If you're really interested, just come over there and get the instant access here. I make $1,000 each week. He's making $1,000 every single week. And you can also do this. Here you can see. So there is lots of things. Just come over there and start making money. $173 per day. I know you can do it. You can do this. Just come over there, go to the description, click to the link below, and get the full access of Covert in just a price of pizza in 11 days. Here you can see Derek already made $1,066.38 in just 11 days. So just come and get this product by just clicking over there. Here is the button. This you are just single step away from your success. Am I right? Single step away from your success. So don't waste, don't think too much. This is you will get in just a price of pizza. Link in the description. Go to the link and come over there and get your full access. So thank you so much. I hope you will take action, because action takers are money makers. Thank you so much.